Okay, I hope we're doing okay here. Let's take a look at this stream. I do hear myself, so that is good. That is good. Alright, well, welcome back to Making a Game Live. Today we're making, still the same game we made. I don't know why I said that. But anyways, we are making, why can't I think today? What's up, dog guy? What's up, Alex? We're continuing my minigames. That's what I was trying to say here. Anyways, I did not forget about the minigames, so we're gonna keep working on them, and we're gonna make some changes here to some of the core scripts because I've been thinking about it, and there's a better way to do some of these things. dhluigi! What's up, Disney dude? Welcome, welcome. Epic Edwin, good to see you as well. Thanks for hanging out. So, the biggest thing I want to change here is, first of all, the main game script should not care about the type of minigame that is played. As in, right now, let's take a look through here, alright? So right now, like for instance, we check if it's teams. If there's teams, we pick teams. If not, then we spawn them in. You know, we do all this stuff. But the problem is, as this game grows and we add more mini games, the problem becomes I have to account for these different cases and it creates a mess. So really what should happen is the main game script just says, hey, all right, it's minigame time. Let's pick one. Here it is. Let's load it. And you know what? You kind of do your thing here. All right. And the minigame kind of, does its thing, whatever. And then it ends. And then it says, hey, main game script, I'm over. I'm done. And then it cleans up. That's really kind of the flow I want to accomplish. And so we're going to need to change a few things here. You need to make these on the weekends because I got school tomorrow, so I won't be able to stay for long. Yeah, I'll have to start making these on the weekends. The weekends I do have more time though too, so feel with that. I probably won't stream too long because I do have to get up tomorrow. But anyways, so let's think about how we can do this here. So I'm trying to think because the other day I was reading about bindable events, and that could be a possibility here. Actually, I gotta show you guys something too, that I made for this. So I went ahead and made some disappearing plates here as well for like a disappearing plates type minigame. So if we go in here, oh, I gotta update this script. But anyways, all it does is once you step on it, it just starts a transparency, slowly counting down, and then can collide as false, so you can fall through. So that's the next game we're going to implement. And then I was working on like a Simon Says type minigame as well, but that one's not quite done yet. So we still have, do we have, or is this all under minigame manager? Where is this pick teams at? I just saw it. If teams, oh yeah. Oh, player, it's in player manager. Okay. So we're going to want to divvy that out here. Well, let's go to make a team manager module script here. Because what I want to do here is I want new minigames to be able to take advantage of some of these utilities I'm making, because as you'll see when you progress, you'll often find yourself copying the same code a lot, and it's good to break it out. There's a principle in programming called dry, which is basically don't repeat yourself. So trying to figure out that to the best of my abilities. But anyways, enough of this coding stuff. Hope you guys are doing well. How's everyone's evening / night going? So let's go in here. Check. Okay. So we're gonna grab this. We're gonna Did I feel like I never tabbed over in the other ones. I see. Yeah, I definitely didn't, so we'll just keep it like that. Not a big deal. See, now there's a different teleport team players one. So I might need that. My birds are being loud. What type of birds do you have? Okay, well, we're gonna need to change that. I want create team as well. We probably want clean up teams and pick player teams actually too. So we'll just copy them for now, but we'll go back and delete those. And then definitely want this. Probably want players too, I would assume. So let's grab that as well. Let's put it by because we want to group these services together. Parakeets, nice. Okay, I don't remember where this check team players comes into play, but that's okay. So this is probably the most important one to start with here. I want team manager, pick player teams. So we definitely want that. Blue team, red team. So this one doesn't really randomize teams, so this is something to fix. We're just gonna run a little to-do note. Make team picking more random, because it'd just be every other player, so it wouldn't necessarily be super random. So this one we want to use elsewhere as well. We'll use this in our cleanup function. Just takes out teams. What's up, Light? Thanks for joining me. How are you doing today? Where did I get active players from? Did I make a... Oh yeah, okay. Definitely need that too. Yeah, I'll just put it here, that's fine. Teleport team players. See, it'd be nice if we could just have a teleport function that takes care of it all. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm enjoying my night. Doing a little bit of Lua, Roblox studio stuff. Okay. So now we gotta figure out... Well, first we gotta start changing these to be... So actually, let's start taking these out here. Don't need that anymore. We're gonna get rid of this. Don't need this anymore. Don't need to create a team in here. That. This. I think that's... Okay, check. We gotta get rid of that. Okay. If check teams and not check team players, then okay, so we can get rid of that. But we might have to deal with some with that too. I gotta think more about the team logic. That is the more confusing part of this. Gotta stay hydrated. Ooh. Okay, I think that script is cleaned up. The only problem is we're gonna have to make sure we catch all references to that. That's fine there. I'm assuming... Let's see. let's just see where player manager is. So actually first, let's make sure we import team manager. Definitely want that. Okay. Great. So now this is going to become team manager. This is also going to become team manager. But the problem is we're going to have to probably go back and get rid of some of this too, but that's okay. Okay. Wait, that's definitely not team manager. That is... Yeah, we're chilling. Okay, so let's kind of think about what's going on here when a minigame finishes here. Let's think about this. I guess I'll write it here. Oh, let me just pull up. Okay, so the win conditions we have on a minigame is somebody wins. That's probably the most obvious case. Nobody wins, which can happen in some cases. And time runs out. So somebody or multiple, I guess, because you could say or multiple winners. That's some poor grammar there, but that's okay. I literally wrote somebody or multiple winners. Nobody wins, time runs out. So there's a really interesting, let me see if I can find it. There's a really interesting tutorial that kind of went through this kind of thing. So let me see if I can find it real quick. Where was it? Hope they didn't get rid of it because that was really nice. I guess I can go look at the code real quick because I did follow it a few months ago. Okay, where are we at here? Yeah, here we are. Let's jump into here real quick. But what minigame are you making? Right now, I'm not making a minigame. Save. Oh. I thought I could open up multiple. Oh, because Roblox upgraded. Right now, I'm not making a minigame. I'm trying to do some tweaks to make it easier to add minigames. But the next minigame I'm going to add is disappearing plates. What's going on, random guy? How you doing tonight? Okay, so this is a tutorial that was on the Roblox Developer Hub a while ago. And I just wanted to see this here. Because there's these events just kind of hanging out that are not events. Server storage. So these bindable events that kind of control... How do I put this? These bindable events, you can fire them off and kind of let other scripts know what's going on. So we're going to just take a look in here. So honestly, if you guys want to follow a tutorial, this is a good tutorial. I wish I could find it. But it really teaches a lot of interesting things. Okay. Let's take a look at this match manager. Start the timer, prepare game, match start, fire. There's got to be something that listens for match start. And I can find all match start in all scripts. Okay. Let's see what it found here. Match manager, match start, game manager. It's got to be in game manager, so it's got to listen for it for sure, right? Wait, does this not even use match start? That's interesting. So it's... Oh, here we go. Okay, so it starts a timer the um when the match starts. Okay, cool. So this is what happens. You can connect functions to this. So this will start the timer once this event gets fired, which is pretty cool actually. And it'll stop the timer on match end, which match end also has a little bit more to do with it. So let me see if I find this here. Yeah, get end status. Where is this get end status at? Status to return. Game settings, end state. Possible ways to get them found winner. Okay. Let's see how it gets display value. Status, players left. Cool, cool, cool. Where's it actually? End state. Get end status. Let's find all of that as well. End state equals match end event. Wait. Placeholder wait for the length of the game. What else is end state? Is that it? That is it. Thought I remember there was a place where it updated it. But anyways, it's time for us to figure it out for ourselves. So let's get out of here. And yeah, that map was actually really cool. Oh yeah, here, I'll show you what I have here too while we're at it. Might as well, right? So, let's test it real quick. I can't remember if I left it broken or not, so we'll see. Alright. So, here's just the disappearing plates. Pretty standard there. They just kind of disappear there. And then I don't think I had these working. Get this dude out of here. Okay. Yeah, okay, so I was still working on these, but basically it was like a little color thing, and you could pick which color was on the thing, and it was going to speed up over time. So that's what I got going on there. But let's kind of dive into these bindable events here and kind of think about how minigames can trigger them. Let's do this. Let's kind of mimic how they had errors. So we'll keep an event here. New bindable event. Just name this minigame. And I might... Should I fire... I could fire a start as well, and that could be done after the minigame sets up. But let's not deal with that for now, because we'll just wait till this thing ends. Let's take a look at our minigames here. Oh, I don't have King of the Hill. Oh, because I took it out. Okay. Let's take this out, and let's just make a very basic minigame thing here. Make this 12 by 12. And then, how did I have it? I had spawns. Okay, well, I had team spawns. Spawn. Okay. So just name this spawn. And I'll just kind of do this. Group that. Name it spawns. What's going on, Connell? Good to have you here. How you doing? Okay. And then I'm just gonna group this. Name it test. Okay. So inside here, we're gonna do a quick test script. And all we're gonna do is wait 5 seconds. And actually, before we do that, let's local minigame and event is equal to game get service server storage dot. Oh, actually, let's do this. Local server storage, that, and this is equal to server storage dot events. Wait, actually, let's do this. Wait for child events, capital E. Let's just do this. Okay, and then now we'll do it here. Just in case we want to use this event thing again. Probably a little bit overkill, but alas. Do I really want to wait for child again? I probably don't need to, but I will. What do I call it? Minigame end? Yeah, minigame end. Wait 5 seconds. Minigame end event. Fire. I think that's the syntax for it. I uploaded new shirts to my clothing group 2 days ago and they still don't show up on the group. They're on sale, but they don't show on the group. Thanks, Roblox mods. That stinks. Sometimes it's a little slow to get that stuff approved for some reason. Stop. Okay, definitely gonna have to look this up real quick. Bindable event Roblox. Make this full screen. Will not let me now. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Anyways, bindable events. Okay, event connect. Okay, well, let's pass in the value here. Just minigame over. We're just gonna send that along there. All right, and then inside of, let's just make a new test script here. Okay. And really, we can copy this stuff here. So minigame end event. Dot event. Is that actually it? Connect. We'll just write our own function in here. I was about to say console.log, but this is not JavaScript. Print message. Okay. So, this in our lineup of minigames here. Granted, I'm assuming something will break. There's this fun game called Asylum that you should play. It's like randomized but without the guns and weapons. And the weapons are like meme items. Rip egg hunts. Yeah, that's for sure. It's unfortunate because I don't think... Oh, I forgot the description there. Let me add that. Yeah, it's unfortunate because I think egg hunts are just kind of done. Where's my test minigame at? Alright. Nope, that's... No. Meant to paste them into. Description, testing. Time limit, 15 seconds. Okay, let's try it again. What's up, Zemoid? Or Zenmazoid? Zenzoid? Did I get that right? I've seen you hang around here, and I don't know if I've ever said or tried to pronounce it. Wow, no egg hunt. It's painful. Thanks for liking too, by the way. Really appreciate it. Happens better to have dev hunts than no egg hunts. It really is. Oh, and there's it. See, this is why there needs to be this separation here that I'm working on, but is teams false. Okay. You said my name correctly. Cool, cool, cool. I miss when Roblox did good events. I know. I will say, with all the effort they put into the Bloxies, it would be so cool to have an egg hunt like that. I mean, okay. Look at that. By the way, look at this. Minigame over. There it is. It fired. Great. Great. This is excellent. This is really excellent. So, yeah. As you can see, I really get easily distracted with these things. But anyways, events. Yeah, if they just put that effort into like an egg hunt, it would be so insane. But yeah, I mean, the summer games were really fun. The Hallows Eve was always a good time. Egg Hunt, of course. The winter games were cool when they had those. Man, they had so many other ones. Alright, anyways, we don't want this anymore. Let's rewrite some code, shall we? Minigame manager. Okay, pick mini and clean up minigame. We're chilling. Run minigame. This is where we want to get into here. Alright. So, we don't even really need to care about the time limit. I don't think. I think we can handle that separately. Yeah, I do miss egg hunt in the old days. Since there's no egg hunt, maybe I'll have to stream some of the older egg hunts. Some of the old re-releases. You know, Alex, I did check out that Egg Hunt 2015 remake, and I'm still surprised that they managed to remake that. What's up, Easily Nate? How you doing today? Good to have you here. How's your evening going? Yeah, it would be cool if they brought back 15 to do it. For sure. Okay, so that's fine. We don't really care about teams right now. That we care about. Okay. So we're gonna take out the team logic for now. Spawning though, that's the problem. How do we want to do spawning? We want to assume they'll have spawns, but if they're teams, then we will want to probably do something else though. So good. Glad to hear you're doing good. We'll have to think about that. That's going on the back burner there. Time left, we'll keep that there. If player managers get active players is false, then break. Okay. So this gets tricky here. So really all we want to do is we want to make sure we listen for... Okay, do this. Okay, we already have server storage, so local events is equal to what do I call it? Server storage. Wait for child events. Capital E though. So local minigame end equal to events dot minigame. And I probably don't need to wait. I'm going to assume if the folder exists, then this will probably exist. So let's throw this here at the bottom. I think I can I use events in Module scripts? I think so. Maybe I should throw it in main. And then just called, yeah. How do I want to do this here? What is in my main? Run. Let's just try it in here and see what happens. Event. Connect. And then we'll define a new function in here called end minigame. Okay. Found my old account that was made in 2018. It has too many event prizes. Nice. I only copy scripts from videos. Yeah, I mean, when you're learning, it is helpful to get scripts from videos, if I'm being completely honest. It helps you learn, and there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's probably a good idea to try and understand what's going on and follow it, but I mean, looking at other scripts and using those is a good way to learn. You'll be back? Alright. Who got rickrolled or trolled this April Fool's? I actually did not. Did Roblox do an April Fool's thing? I don't know if they did. They did one last year and it was kind of... It was kind of okay. It was like that Roblox, like, console or something. Okay. So we're gonna want this in here. And we're gonna need to get the chosen minigame, which we'll do in a second. And minigame with end status. And then we probably want to do, let's define some end statuses here. Do I have some configs? Dot end stat. No, let's just do it like can't type. End status. Okay. Wait, why you have 6 likes? Well, I'm glad I got 6 likes going on this video. Thank you to everyone who's liked it. Some devs made April Fool's updates. Phantom Force usually goes all out. Most of them are thumbnail changes though. Yeah, I forget. There was definitely some good April Fools going on. Okay, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna want to just open this up in a new thing, but hopefully this doesn't... Okay, good. It's not gonna close my thing. Alright, I'm just gonna keep this new tab open here that has... Let's see... Okay, let's do like that. End states. So what are the end states here? Well, time up. Just do this. Winner. Do we want that to count for multiple winners? That's a thing. Okay, I think we'll just do winners for now. And then what's the other case? So time's up, so nobody wins. Well, nobody wins when time runs out. Or there's no, but actually technically there could be a case where there's no players playing and we don't want to let the time go out. So, no winners. Okay, I'm gonna say it. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like these names are very but we'll keep it for now. What's up, Asus? Thanks for joining. Glad to have you here. How's your evening going? Okay. So I guess we'll do if end status is equal to config, which I actually don't think I brought in config. Nope. I did bring in config dot end states dot no winners. Then so if it's no winners, then where's my pick winner function? Because I think that accounts for it. Oh, that's a player manager thing, isn't it? Yeah. Pick winners. Okay, if next one is display manager. Oh, okay. So all it does is it updates display manager for that. So that's easy to account for. Then we'll throw in else if end status is fake end states dot time up, then I guess we'll say we'll just actually I didn't really need to copy that, so I'll say times up. Okay, else. Okay, so then else, I don't even really need, I guess I technically don't need a okay, I think I can get away with doing this for now. So if there's no winners, then nobody won. Else, if time's up, then time's up. Wait, clean up. Okay. We're gonna connect that to end minigame, which we actually don't need those parentheses for. You think Roblox is gonna make this metaverse event big like the Bloxies? I don't know. Roblox has been huge in this whole metaverse thing, and you know, Builderman, aka David, what's his last name, like Bazooki or something like that. It's been really big on this, so I don't know. I feel like they might do something for it, but who knows? Hard to say. I've been good, man. Man, I miss watching, bro. I remember the good old days. I know, same, man. Nothing like Mad Murder and more Mad Murder and all sorts of other good things. I really rocked with Mad Murder back in the day. Such a good time. Back, had to take care of my cat who's barking too much. You see your cat was barking too much? Dang. That's one interesting cat. Okay, so there's all sorts of issues that we will need to take care of here. So we should have a separate timer that's independently controlled. So I think we'll work on that now. Timer manager. Okay, so function timer manager dot start timer and function timer manager end timer. Okay, well now the problem is if time is up, I could fire that event, but then the event would still kind of exist. So it could fire twice, potentially. I'll have to think about that. The VIP and the member was such a waste of Roblox. Dude, if you go into the member now, it's all glitched and hacked. I heard they have a second one. I think Disney dude mentioned it. They have like a sequel to it out. I can't remember if I played it or not. Time limit. Okay. Well, okay, actually, let's come in and get this. Where's my timer script? Did I already delete it? Come back. Well, time left. Okay. Let's do this. No, I could just do it. Do I need to worry about time limit? Okay. I probably do not need to do this line, but we're gonna do it for now. Because I don't think I'll have to, just in case, I guess. Time left. Okay. We need display manager in here. It should be the same there. Okay, now this we probably don't have to account for now because that should be taken care of by this event, hopefully. Okay, now I'm starting to see. Okay, now we're really getting into this. Okay. Alright. So here's the problem here. And we're kind of getting into this a little bit deeper because there's not really a way for me to stop the timer unless, well, I guess I could make an event to stop the timer. Sorry for being a little bit quiet here. I'm trying to brainstorm and wrap my head around how I want this to go. Because I would like to break out this timer. So really, I guess it probably would be better to fire it from an event as well. So let's make another bindable event. By the way, the difference between remote events and bindable events is bindable events are server to server, while remote events are client to server, I believe. Just an FYI there. Start timer. I capitalized that I, didn't I? Okay. I enjoyed your old egg hunt videos. Thanks, man. You're just not disguised. Oh, and Mad Murder 2. Also, I watched your last stream. Thanks. Was that the Bloxies watch along? Is it possible to eat a tortilla chip vertically? If you want, to feel some pain potentially. I mean, it's like the pointy tip going up on like the roof of your mouth. Ugh. I don't know if I'd like that. Counters teamers though, because there's a timer on the sheriff gun, so it respawns after a while. Oh, that's interesting. So your old icon videos were cool. I enjoy watching them when I'm bored. I'm glad you do. I'm glad you do. I'm glad you guys like my old icon videos. Again, I've said it before, I'm surprised they're so popular, but you know what? If you guys like them, I'm really happy that you guys enjoy them. And timer. Oh wait, event. We need an event first, and then end timer. I'm worried that I'm going way too like in a path that won't work, but I'm really hoping that this will pay off. Okay, we're gonna trust the process here. Okay, so I never even tested if you could do a remote event or a bindable event in the module script, so hopefully you can. Oh, I gotta define these events too. Services, local server storage equal to game get service server storage events. Okay, I cannot type equal to server storage wait for child events. Okay, so local start timer is equal to events dot start timer. Local end timer is equal to events dot end timer. Yeah, it's not even really. Just throw that there for now. Probably don't need a comment, but that's okay. So then now we're gonna do start timer dot event connect to start timer. Start timer end event equal to end timer. Well, the problem is I can't really come in here and end this while loop, so the only way to break it, oh, that really complicates things. I'm really gonna have to look into coroutines now. Okay, well, coroutines time it is. You haven't used your Twitter in like 2 years. Yes, I know, I haven't. Yeah. I don't know. I just haven't come on to use it, I guess. I gotta start using it more, and hopefully it will help grow this channel a little bit. Just get some presence out there. Okay, so we're gonna take a peek at this timer. Oof. Because basically what this timer does here, let me look through this here. Finished event. Oh, so it emits events when it's done? Completed. Okay, so it fires when the... That's interesting. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's not something I really want to get into quite yet, so... Alright, well, we're gonna not do this quite yet, and we're gonna come back here and put this in back in here. for now. I guess that's okay. If player managers equals false, I guess. Okay, so do I have a status? I thought I had a status in here. No. Okay. Because then I guess I could just listen for a game over status here. There's so many different ways to do this. You should do more Arsenal shorts. Those did well. Yes, they did. Also, it's fun chatting your Discord server. I also enjoy your live streams. Thank you. By the way, Discord server, if anyone is interested, let me drop a link here. Oh, thanks for the shout out in the Discord, Disney. Alright. Let me copy this link out. So yeah, by the way, if you want to join the Discord, that's it there. Anyways. Okay. So, let me kind of talk through this here. So we know the cases where the minigame can end. But the problem is I can't really end the timer, but I guess I could. Alright, where are we at? Server storage? Can I modify values and let's put this in. No, there I do have a status. Wait a minute. That's what I've been updating the whole time. Okay. Oh, but that's not what I want to use. Okay, that's gonna break, but I guess this is okay for now. Let's just see what happens when we test play this, because it should send that event pretty quickly. I'll be interested to see what happens. Requested module received an error while loading. Medium end is not a valid member folder. Oh, yeah. Okay, that makes sense there. Because that's just a capital. I didn't mean to delete the whole word there. And what's the other one? What? Why did that? Oh, because of that error. Okay, yeah, we're chilling. Remember when we playtested the game last stream? It was fun. Yeah, it was fun. Sorry I don't have anything new to playtest quite yet. I'm really trying to rework this game to be as flexible as it possibly can be, because I want to be able to add mini games without a problem here. Is winner is not a valid member. Oh, did I forget to add? Oh, you know why? Okay. Because in my intermission, what's up, Josh? Thanks for joining. How's your evening going? Okay. Sorry, I'm lost in my thoughts right now. I'm trying to... Okay, what do I need to change here? Okay, so the is winner is an issue. But that's okay. Not really. Where do I insert the is winner anyways. Find. Okay, let's go in here. Find all is winner. This is what happens when you don't code on a game for like a month. Lose all track of instance.new. Oh, okay, here. Here's where I create it. Minigame setup. Oh, you know what? This is in the freaking this is in the what do you call it? The minigame script itself. Of course it is. I should have known. That's okay. Let's just hop into my minigames. Okay, I'll just paste that. I don't want the paintball gun though. Okay, that method to me needs a rework as well. There's a lot that really needs a rework here. How do I send bits? Like donate, how do I do it? I'm not at that rank yet, or whatever it's called on YouTube. What is it called on YouTube? I can't think of it, because you can definitely okay, great. So it worked kind of. Oh, okay. What is this? Cleanup minigames is not liking this. Cleanup minigames. Okay. I'm just gonna comment that out. Is that the only thing that caused an issue? No. Yeah, that should be it. Alright, let's test it again. Can I donate on here at all or no? No, unfortunately not, because I have not reached that monetization rank. Because a while ago, YouTube changed it, so you had to get over like 4,000 watch hours a year, which I don't quite have yet. Okay, what else is going wrong here? Current minigame folder. Find first child. Oh wait, because I never passed in the minigame. I talked about that earlier on stream. Okay, so this is where we need to find the current minigame. So we need to pass in the minigame, which will be in current minigame folder. Do I have current minigame folder defined? I do. Very nice. Okay. So we'll say current minigame folder. Oh, but I'm not gonna know the picked minigame unless I could just find it here. But I want to make sure it's the one because I want to destroy what's ever in that folder anyways. I could pass the name along with this, but I don't know if that's the best way to do it either. I feel like I should just check the folder. So we don't really care about finding the first child here. Let's see. We're gonna have to do a quick Googling here. We will get there though. Yeah, guys, if you're watching, I need how much watch hours do I need? Let me check real quick. Where is it? I have 90 watch hours in the last 28 days. So can I do last 365? Okay, I have 1.4K, so I need 3,000 more. Yikes. So I need quite a bit more. So you're watching, Gotta watch it a little bit more, unfortunately, before I can get there. But that's okay. We'll get there at some point for sure. Okay, so Roblox destroy all contents in a folder. Let me go about deleting everything that's in a folder. Get children, then delete every child. So I could do. Okay, so I could do that. So it's gonna look like this here. So for each pair, so we're gonna do current minigame folder, get children, destroy. Okay. And then we don't care about that anymore. All right, so hopefully we'll have something kind of working right now. There's still something to be done about the timer too, but that will come later. I need to go to the drawing board on some of this stuff for sure. So this event should fire. Great. Your mission. Okay. Starting round. So the timer does go away because all active players do get cleared out. So I guess that's fine for now. And we're making progress here. So do we want to implement the disappearing plates minigame? I think we should do that. That's my goal, to finish that, and then that's gonna be it here. So let's go ahead and do that, shall we? Because right now, all I have to do is fire that event and it should work. Do likes help? Yes, likes do help. So if you're watching this and you haven't liked it yet, consider giving it a like. It always helps. Kind of lets YouTube know that people enjoy this content and should serve more of it. Okay, let me grab the disappearing plates minigame here. Press the like button while your video is live stream. Someone disliked. Ah, that's unfortunate. That's okay. Thank you, Zemoid. Zemzoid. I don't know why I struggle so much to say that. And Epic Edwin. I appreciate all the help. Okay, so it applied the changes. So we're gonna go nab the new disappearing plates, because I'll show you a little trick I have in here for this. So this just basically right here, all it does is it clones this disappear script into each plate, which is kind of important because if I need to do one change to a script, I'd have to change it for each one. So I just want one basically source of truth there. So I hopefully copied it to my clipboard. I don't know, we gotta find them. Alright, so we're gonna paste this in here. So we got our disappearing plates, right? Fantastic. This is good news. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna copy these. We're gonna copy these. We're gonna copy these. And then we're gonna, I'm wondering if that's kind of big, but I think that will be fine because the plates do not reappear when they are done. Great. Just Control D that again. Control D. If you don't know the keyboard shortcut, I'm just hitting Control D. Very helpful, actually. Probably one of my favorite shortcuts. Is that square? I think there's like, what is this by? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. So I need 4. Can I still Control D actually? Okay, nope, that's not what I meant to do. so Alt, select all the, okay, let me tilt this a little bit. Still not right. Okay, so we're gonna hit what's the Control D, and of course I missed some, the usual. But no big deal, because we just Control D those right into there. So we have our disappearing plates. We're gonna have to add some spawns. So let me do that. This definitely needs to be anchored, or else that will cause some major issues. Return can collide off. And we're just gonna add some spawns here. Oh, I didn't call it spawn, so let me do that before I clone them. So we're gonna do that. Oh, I should make these, I'll make them transparent at the end. No big deal with that. That should be pretty easy to do. So we have it here. We have, I think that's about the middle there. I'm gonna put them up in the air a little bit too, just because I think that will make it so that, because it's gonna start like right off the bat. So let's grab all these spawns here. Let's make them invisible. Where's my, yeah, okay. And we'll raise them up just a bit. There, they are anchored, so that's good. Hopefully this doesn't cause anything dramatic. Spawns, great. Okay, now I can't. So we're gonna cut those. We're gonna paste them into here. Disappearing plates. Okay. So minigame script time, right? So let's go back to our test. We're gonna copy the script and we're gonna modify it here. So we're obviously gonna initialize with that, which really what I should do is put this into here. So first, we'll go ahead and do that disappearing thing. This I'm just going to disable. Doesn't really matter too much. I'm enjoying this stream. It looks great so far. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Alright, so we're going to go through here. We're going to do our, putting the script in here. Great. We're going to make the is winner. And then we want to fire it once there's one person left. That's it. Only one person can win. Well, okay. Okay, but we don't want to fire with minigame over, because it's always going to hit that else, so we want to fire it. Okay, so let's do this. We want to listen for active players. This will be a big test to see if my whole idea will work. Game dot workspace dot wait for child, just in case. Active players. Okay. So now see, this is where the timer could come in the clutch here, but that's okay. So this we're gonna get rid of eventually. Wow. Active players, find get children dot, is it length? Is there a dot length in Roblox? No, 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 no. It's this. It's that. There's no dot length. While that do wait 1. Actually, I don't. While true do wait 1. If active players get children is less than or equal to, is that 1 or 2? Then is that less? I feel like it's this. No. Okay, it's definitely that. If active players get children less than or equal to 1, then fire with the where's my config file? Where did it go? Oh. Okay, we'll just do that. We're gonna fire it with this value. Oops. I think that's good enough. Okay, so let's comment this out real quick and just make sure that this minigame actually runs. So we're gonna cut that. We're gonna paste it in here. We're gonna get that out of here and just throw it into there. Okay, we're gonna load it. Let's see what happens. Roblox scam me sent shirts and pants cost 10 Robux each to upload. My shirts aren't on my group. Scammers. That stinks. Starting rounds. There's already an issue, but that's okay. Run minigame. Oh man, I always forget the description. Now what I should do is I should make it so there should be a default description so I don't have to worry about that. But alas, that will come. Okay, I need to group these plates in the model. I really do. But we'll get to that. Don't fall. Where's my water? Okay, let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't break. Disappearing plates were picked. Great. Okay, well, I already fell, but... Okay, so... Let me redo that so I can kind of show you guys the disappearing plates thing. There needs to be a little bit more to the disappearing plates. I think I'll make like a temporary kind of thing that like holds you over so you don't have to like worry about it. But basically, yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. Not too shabby if I say so myself. You can even make it. Oh yeah, you can make it across. Cool. About the perfect length there. Okay, very cool. Did I have a time limit? Wait, what happened when I did that? Let me do this one more time. Oh man. Disappearing plates. Yep, okay, so we don't have a time limit either. Time limit. Put that in there. Time limit of, we'll do. I'll do 2 minutes, I guess. That's fine. Okay. Now, the only thing that I'm going to change is, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the can collide off on this base plate here. So then when you fall, you actually fall. Starting round, disappearing plates. Great. Okay, so if I fall through, I die. Intermission. So I don't quite have that, but that's okay. Let's just see if it... Oh, it doesn't clean up the minigame though. That's a problem. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's definitely a problem. So why does it not clean up the minigame if everyone dies? It should. Oh, you know why? Because the timer... I think it's because this timer breaks. And then that function's over. Because... Wait, do I listen to it? Okay, so I guess we'll add cleanup minigame outside of here too, just to be safe. But that's going to need to be cleaned up too, as well. So, that's okay. No worries there. Okay, so if I fall, boom, intermission. Great. I mean, not great because we need to declare that there's been no winners, but at least the thing is cleared, right? So that's okay. Disappearing plates. Okay, so now disappearing plates. If I take this out, oops, and I test play it, the minigame should be over because there's only one person left. Nobody won. Great. Okay. Beautiful. So here's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys are ready to play test this. Give you guys a little treat for sitting through my thought process. Okay, so I published this to Roblox. I can't remember if I opened this one up last time or not. Oh, it does say it is public. Let me get you guys a link here. So that's a link to that there. I just put it in chat. Hopefully this works. I don't know if this will work. Okay, it should be capturing Roblox now. Why is... Oh, there we go. Okay, starting round, disappearing plates. Nobody won. That's okay. That's okay, because you think you joined while the round was going on, hopefully. I did less than or equals, right? I didn't do greater than. No, I did greater though. No. No. No, no. Oh. Did I really do greater than? Yeah, I did. Oh, okay. This should be, yeah, less than or equal to 1. Wait, no, I had it. Wait, what? Which way did I have it? Okay, yeah, that's greater than, so we want that to be less than or equal to 1. Okay. I apologize, guys. Sorry about that. We'll get there. Let me, okay. Let me try going into this again. Oh, I forgot to change my OBS thing over, but I did make the change. So it was less than, by the way, or greater than. So now it should still say nobody won because no one's in it. The winners were dhluigi. Wait, no, that's perfect. Wait, that's better than I wanted. Okay, great. So, I'll wait for people to join here. Great, we got Disney Dude in here. Alright, will this work? Fingers crossed. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Oh no. Oh no, what did I do? What did I break? Okay, did I do, am I greater than or equal to? Wait, yeah. Less than or equal to 1. So why was it firing that? Hold on. Alright, let me test this with 2 people here so you guys don't have to keep play testing this. Sorry about that. Okay, so disappearing plates picked, nobody won. Why is it that nobody won? Just take a look and see what happens in active players here. You know what? That script probably fires too fast. This script probably goes way too fast. So this is not an advised practice, so please don't copy me on this, but just to get it to work, I think I know the solution. I just think it fires way too fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. But there's only one person. Oh, something happened. Oh no. Oh, I'm breaking things now. Well, no, that's fine because there was only one person left. But this broke for some reason? Is winners not a valid? Wait. What? Is it because I die before the is winner thing is? Oh boy. What have I done? Let me test this again and see when this comes up. Okay, so starting around, disappearing plates picked, right. Okay, it's probably because I fell through the plate or something. Okay, I'm really gonna have to do some more air checking here, that's for sure. See, now that airs out. Probably because it runs multiple times. Because it doesn't stop the timer. Oh boy, okay, well. Okay, back, I liked every single video. You liked every single video? Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Epic. That was quite the task there. Over like 200 some videos. My goodness. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay. Also, what happened with those 20 pizzas? Well, actually, the real context of the story is they were bought for they were bought for a uh like event we were having. So I just happened to have them in my room at the time. So they were eaten. I didn't just buy 20 pizzas for myself, but it did make for a good meme of video. So all right, well, unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to end it here. This is not the note I wanted to end it on, but this is a more complicated fix here. Um, and I kind of want to do some testing, probably offline, with this to see what's going on here. Because I mean, like, yeah, it works with the old version, but then the problem is I have to account for so many different variables, and if I want to add different mini games, then I have to keep adding more. And basically, my goal is to get to a point where I can just add as many mini games as I want without caring about what the mini games do, because the main game script shouldn't care about what the mini game does. It should only care about the end result. So that's my goal here, and I hope to get there. And that should make things. The problem is when it comes to programming, when you want to write something that's maintainable, it requires a lot of effort at the beginning, but it usually pays off towards the end. But if you write something that's quick and easy, you usually reap the benefits immediately, but then as time goes on, you have to add more and change more. So we're just trying to get to that point here. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Glad to have all you guys hanging here. Always a good time. And I'll see you guys probably later. I gotta make a new video at some point that's not a live stream. So we'll see about working on that. All right. See you guys.